my friends? I got me a 2018 Chevrolet Express cargo van. 5,677 miles. I guess you can say that's relatively new, very new. Tow mode, traction control button. You could put the wall outlet here if you want to charge your phone in here too, you know. And like if you lose air and like one of the tires to put air in it, the 112 volt outlet, you put it here, and like the other car charger stuff, you put it in here. And then what I want to show you guys is how to release the emergency parking brake. Here's how you set it. You press your foot down. Most vehicles or most vans, you would normally press that lever down with your foot again, and then it comes back up. But to take the emergency brake off in this van, you see this right here, and you pull it back, and you pull it towards you, and there you go. Peace out, my friend.